I want to share something with you, especially if you've ever wondered how to spark real, genuine attraction with someone you're just meeting for the first time, whether it's at a bar, a party, or even someone you quietly hope to ask out at work. And just as important, how do you keep that attraction feeling new and alive after a few dates? Before we go any further, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps me keep making more content for you. So, let's talk about something I call a simple triangle of connection, a blend of fun, emotional chemistry, and a touch of playful tension. Most people instinctively lean too heavily on emotional bonding or going straight for flirtation. But the truth is, the real spark, the one that makes someone feel drawn to you without fully understanding why, comes from fun. Fun is naturally disarming, naturally magnetic, and naturally intimate. When a woman feels relaxed and present with you, when she associates you with a sense of playfulness and ease, attraction grows almost effortlessly. What I've seen over and over is that fun works best when you help her step out of her everyday world and into a lighter, more playful vibe. Think of it almost like helping her revisit that innocent, fluttery feeling of having a school crush where everything feels easy, spontaneous, and a little mischievous. You're not trying to be cool or overly confident. The magic happens when you allow yourself to genuinely enjoy the moment. One playful technique I love is to lightly tease the situation, not her as a person, but the moment itself. You're not trying to prove anything or act like the confident one by simply leaning into humor without hesitation. Confidence naturally shows, and importantly, nothing you do should ever make her feel insecure or self-conscious. The goal isn't to put her down, it's to amuse yourself, gently challenge the moment, and invite her into something more fun than the usual small talk. If she joins the vibe, great. If she doesn't, you keep it light and move on without pressure. One way to create this energy is to playfully mess with the dynamic the way you might with a friend, repeating something she says in a silly tone, telling an obviously exaggerated story, interpreting something she does in a humorous way, or jokingly making ridiculous traits like, "I'll hand you this, but now you owe me a pretend back massage," while keeping a straight face. You can also call out the unspoken in a cute, teasing way. Like if she glances at you, you can smile and say, "I saw that." Or if she bumps into you, you can softly say, "Careful. You're going to owe me a drink at this rate." It's all about positioning yourself as someone who's not intimidated and not trying too hard, just enjoying the unfolding chemistry. And when there's already a bit of a vibe, you can layer in light, nonverbal playfulness, stealing a seat right before she sits, holding out your hand, then pulling it back with a smirk or giving her something to hold and pretending to forget about it. These little things aren't mean. They're tiny sparks of unexpectedness that break the script and create chemistry. What makes this so effective is that you're treating her like someone you're comfortable being playful with, not like she's intimidating or untouchable. Most people default to predictable questions and polite, cautious conversation. But when you bring a unique, confident, warm sense of play, it stands out. If you ever feel like you're fun and flirty but still end up stuck in the friend zone or unable to get a second date, it might just be that you're missing one small piece of the attraction puzzle. Pay attention to how you balance fun with emotional pacing, how you read her vibe, and the subtle mistakes that many people don't even notice themselves making. If you want to explore those blind spots, take a moment after this video to reflect or even try a short quiz or self. Check to see where your patterns might be getting in your way. And before you go, leave a comment, subscribe, and tell me what topics you'd like me to dive into next. I love hearing what's on your mind and what would help you most on your dating journey.